opposite of dark. The opposite of dark is light. Dark का opposite हो गया वो light. Write this sentence 5 times. Okay, ma'am. I will write it. Write this sentence 5 times. Why are you not concentrating? Sorry, ma'am. I will pay attention now. What did you learn today? I learned about water cycle. मैंने What is your hobby? My hobby is painting. Do you have any question? No, ma'am. Everything is clear. Read this line loudly. Yes, ma'am. I will read loudly. And next, what comes after 39? 40 comes after 39. And next sentence हो गया आपका stand in a line. लाइन में खड़े हो जाओ. Okay, ma'am. We are standing. And next sentence हो गया आपका why didn't you bring your notebook? Sorry, ma'am. I forget it at home. And are you listening carefully? Yes, ma'am. I am listening. मैं ध्यान से सुन रहा हूँ. And next sentence हो गया आपका आपको अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो नीचे हिंदी दिया हुआ है उसको देख सकते हैं. Bring your parents tomorrow. Okay, ma'am. I will bring them. ठीक है मैम मैं उन्हें लाऊंगा. Don't fight with your classmate. Sorry, ma'am. It won't happen again. ऐसा फिर नहीं होगा. Write neatly in your notebook. Yes, ma'am. I will write neatly. And next sentence हो गया आपका Have you done your revision? क्या तुमने अपना रिवीजन किया? Yes, ma'am. I revised everything. मैंने सब कुछ दोहराया. Don't chew gum in the class. Sorry, ma'am. I will throw it away. मैं इसे फेंक दूंगा. And next, chew मतलब chewing-gum. And next sentence हो गया आपका देखते हैं क्या है. Bring your 8 supply tomorrow. कल अपनी कला सामग्री लाना. Okay, ma'am. I will bring them. मैं उन्हें लाऊंगा. Did you sign your diary? क्या तुमने अपनी डायरी पे साइन करवाया? Yes, ma'am. My parents sign it. And next sentence हो गया आपका बस ये